Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a hidden pocket bookmark card. The bookmark goes right here, using the Toadstool Gardens DSP that you can now earn in January of 2025 as part of Celebration. So let's get started. You're going to need a card base that measures 5.5 by 11, scoring at 4 1/4, 8.5, and 10 3/4. 2 pieces of cardstock, one that measures 7/8 by 5 1/4, and 2 by 5 1/4. I did corner around that part. Some ribbon, a 2-inch ribbon and a 7-inch ribbon. Some basic white measuring 4 and 5 1/4. Same size for the DSP here. There you go. 4 and 5 1/4, 1 3/4 by 5, and 2 3/4. I'll pause and let you look at those measurements. Take those away. And so we'll start with the card base. So you're going to go ahead and fold this part under. That's going to be part of your card. And this part goes to the left. And this one you're going to tuck right under. That's actually going to hold the bookmark. But before we actually place that in there, we're going to go ahead and place the inside. So I'll take my Seal Plus, the T4 top. I'm going to put it on the corners so they don't pop up. That goes on the inside. You can also stamp this if you'd like. And then close that card, and this DSP is going to go here on the front. And then we're going to go ahead and put a little glue on the flap. Tuck that under. Oh, and don't forget to put it here so your bookmark doesn't slide all the way through. Almost forgot that part. Hold that down for a bit. Go ahead and get this piece that is actually the 2 by 3 1/4, and you're just going to cut off 7/8 to the corner. Let's use some seal. And then I'll go on the front. Let's assemble the bookmark. Put some seal there and thread the ribbon through. I put a little seal in the back to hold on to it, like that. And then you want a little loop like that. So I'm going to put some seal here on top, and that'll hold that loop. And then the rest of the seal goes down. And that's how you don't have to punch out on the bookmark. Let's try and see if it fits. It does. And then the really quick ribbon added on there on the back. I'm going to put some Seal Plus, place it on here, and then the Seal Plus will hold on to that ribbon. Let's see if I got it on straight. A little bit more Seal Plus here. Oops, it's not coming out. Sometimes it does that. And then that's it. Put the T for top for remember, and I'll bring back the other one. Thanks for letting me share this with you. To support me, please like, comment, and share this video. And if you like these tutorial videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and you'll see the videos as we make them. So hope you enjoyed this, and have a great day. Bye.